What is the best low-hanging fruit to find sellers looking to sell creatively? Well, I can't speak for everybody. I can tell you for us, I've been doing this for 23 years. And until the last 2 years, foreclosures made up 2/3 of our business. Okay. So during the first 10 years of my investing, when I bought 3 to 5 houses a month, 3 or 4 of them every month were foreclosures. Now, those are people that in general are on tight timelines. You know, something's about to happen. They've got to do something. Other investors, you know, they deal with probates, they deal with high equity. I know one investor who targets free and clears and makes really good deals with those guys. He pays $50,000, $80,000 over market value. And that's a long story. I'll tell that story another day, but he does very well with that. He structures terms that work very well for him. Foreclosures are coming back for sure. And we're having a lot of conversations with people in foreclosure right now. So for me, I would say we're back on track with foreclosures. That's what I like. That's what I'm comfortable dealing with. There are people that have something that needs to get done. A lot of times we're able to help them save their house, and that's okay because I believe in karma. But if they ever have another problem, you're going to be the first person they call. Even though they got 100 other cards, you'll be the first person that they call. So, and 70% of people in foreclosure today will be back in the next 12 months. That's just a fact. So foreclosures, that's the way to go.